Wells Fargo has introduced a feature that allows customers to schedule advance and recurring payments using Zelle. This enhancement enables users to set up automated payments to individuals or businesses, streamlining the payment process. Access Zelle. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app or sign in to Wells Fargo online. Navigate to Pay and Transfer and select Zelle. Add a recipient. Tap the plus icon to add a new recipient. Enter the recipient's name, email address or US mobile number, and select the account from which the payment will be sent. Schedule the payment. After adding the recipient, choose the Schedule Payment option. Specify the payment amount, frequency, start date, and end date. Review the details and confirm the setup. View or edit. In the Zelle section, access your scheduled payments. Select the payment to view details or make changes. Cancel. To stop a recurring payment, select the payment and choose the Cancel option.